Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth transition video with Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on Capcut. So I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to select video from the Capcut library because I don't have any footage to be edited. I'm going to go to the Capcut library and I'm going to pick some videos from here. I'm going to select the live category and I'm gonna go with this video, this one, and also this one. Okay, and I'm going to add the videos to my project, and then I'm going to show you how we can add a smooth transition to our video. Okay, to make the process faster, I'm going to cut the video, guys. I'm going to cut it right here. Wait. Oops. Okay. And then if we want to add transition, we can click on this transition menu. And you can choose the transition that will make your video become smoother. And I'm going to search for superimpose transition. This is the smooth transition you can use for your video. This one, guys, you can try this transition. Okay, like this, or you can try mix as well, or overlay. Okay, and for the first transition, I'm going to select the superimpose. Okay, and if you want to apply this transition to all your clips, you can click on apply to all, but I'm going to apply different transition. Okay, this is for the first transition, and for the second transition, I'm going to select mix transition. Okay, this one, right? And you can adjust the duration, and then I'm going to apply overlay transition as well. Just type in overlay, and I'm going to select overlay right here. Or you can try this one as well, guys, the black fade transition. This black fade transition will make your video smoother as well. Okay. Alright, and this is the final result. I'm going to play the video to show you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make smooth a transition video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!